Have you ever been to a temple or a church or a gurudwara or a mosque? So do you know why we go there? We go there to pray to God when we are sad, when we are happy, and when we are thankful to God. We go there to what? To pray to God. Okay? So today we will learn this chapter that is called Places of Worship. Okay? So let's first see a video, then we will learn this chapter. Okay? Let us see a video.
Places of Worship. We all pray to God in different ways. Different people go to different places to worship God. These places are called places of worship. This is a temple. Hindus pray in a temple. The holy books of Hindus are the Bhagavad Gita and the Ramayana. Temple. This is a mosque. Muslims pray in a mosque. Their holy book is the Quran. Mosque. This is a Gurudwara. Sikhs pray in a Gurudwara. Their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. Gurudwara. This is a church. Christians pray in a church. Their holy book is the Bible. Church. People pray in different ways, but we all pray to God. All places of worship teach us to be good and kind. I respect all places of worship.
Okay, let's learn it very slowly. Okay, so what is written there? We all pray to God in different ways. Okay, and different people go to different places to worship the God. Okay, there are different people and they go to different places to worship the gods. Okay, these places are called places of worship. Okay, now can you guess what is this place? Think and tell me. I am giving you another clue. This one. Tell me. Yes, this is a temple. And what is the spelling of temple? It is Temple. temple. Okay, and who prays in a temple? Tell me. Who? Yes, Hindus pray in a temple. Okay, and what is the spelling of Hindus? It is Hindus. Hindus. Okay, now let's learn about their holy book. Do you know what is their holy book? Yes, the holy books of Hindus are the Bhagavad Gita and the Ramayana. Okay, these are the holy books of Hindus. Okay, now this is a temple. Okay, now can you guess what is this place? Do you know? Think. Yes, this is a mosque. And what is the spelling of mosque? M-O-S-Q-U-E. M-O-S-Q-U-E. Mosque. And who pray in a mosque? Tell me. Yes. Do you know? Muslims. M-U-S-L-I-M-S. Muslims pray in a mosque. Okay. And what is their holy book? What is their holy book? Let's learn what is their holy book. Their holy book is the Quran. And what is the spelling of Quran? Q-U-R-A-N. Q-U-R-A-N. Quran. So this is a mosque. This is also a places of worship. Okay? Now this place. Take a guess and tell me what is this place? Tell me. Yes. This is a Gurudwara. And what is the spelling of Gurudwara? First you have to spell Guru, G-U-R-U, Guru, and Dwara, D-W-A-R-A, Dwara, so it will be Gurudwara. And who prays in Gurudwaras? Yes, Sikhs pray in a Gurudwara. And what is the spelling of Sikhs? S-I-K-H-S. Sikhs, they pray in a Gurudwara. Okay, can you guess what is their holy book? Yes, their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. What is their holy book? Their holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. First is Guru, G-U-R-U, Guru, Granth. Do you know what is the meaning of Granth? Granth means book. Okay. So Guru Granth, G-R-A-N-T-H. Granth. And Sahib, S-A-H-I-B. Sahib, Guru Granth Sahib. So this is a Gurudwara. Okay. You will never forget it. This place. Can you tell me what is this place? Think and tell me. Yes, this is a church. This is a church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. Church. This is a church. Okay, and who prays in a church? Think. Yes. Christians pray in a church. And what is the spelling? It is a big spelling. Okay. So you have to remember. First you have to pronounce like Chris and then Chians. Christians. C-H-R-I-S. Chris. T-I-A-N-S. Chians. Christians. C-H-R-I-S. Chris. T-I-A-N-S. Chians. Christians. So Christians pray in a church. Okay. And let me guess. Let me tell you what is their holy book. Think and tell me. What is their holy book? Yes. Their holy book is the Bible. The Bible. B-I-B-L-E, Bible. So this is a church. Okay. Now we have learned all types of worship, places of worship. So what should we remember? We always have to remember that people pray in different ways, but we all pray to God. People praise in different ways, but we all pray to God. Okay, there can be different paths, there can be different, there can be church, temple, mosque, but they are all praying to God. Okay, so all places of worship teach us to be good and kind. Okay, all the places of worship, they teach us to be a good person and a kind person. Okay, so what should we do? We should always respect to all the religions, all the places of worship. We should be a good and kind human. We should never humiliate or never insult any type of religions, okay? And we should not never insult any type of religions or religious places like places of worship, okay? And with this, we have also completed the chapter that is called Places of Worship. So if you like this type of video, what you have to do? You have to come and join Minsha Academy. Here we will teach you in this way. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.